Bartenders can tell you're not a native speaker immediately. Today, we're practicing ordering drinks. Repeat after me. Could I get a beer, please? What do you have on tap? I'll have whatever she's having. Can I open a tab? Keep the change. Hotel staff judge your English before you even reach the desk. Today we're practicing hotel check-in. Repeat after me. Hi, I have a reservation under the name Martinez. Is early check-in possible? Could I have a room away from the elevator? What time is checkout? Thanks, that's perfect. Cashiers know you're not fluent the moment you open your mouth. Today, we're practicing at the supermarket checkout. Repeat after me. Just these, thanks. Could I get a bag, please? I'll pay by card. Sorry, can I take that one off? Thanks. Have a good day. Post office workers lose patience fast. Your hesitation makes it worse. Today, we're practicing at the post office. Repeat after me. I'd like to send this to Germany. What's the cheapest option? How long will it take to arrive? Do I need to fill out a customs form? Can I get a tracking number? Dentists can tell you don't understand them. They just stop explaining. Today we're practicing at the dentist. Repeat after me. I have a pain in my back tooth. It hurts when I eat something cold. Is it serious? Will this hurt? How long until the numbness goes away? You look lost in stores. The staff already noticed. Today we're practicing asking for help while shopping. Repeat after me. Excuse me, do you have this in a smaller size? Where are the fitting rooms? Does this come in other colors? I'm just looking, thanks. I'll take this one. You look lost in stores. The staff already noticed. Today we're practicing asking for help while shopping. Repeat after me. Excuse me, do you have this in a smaller size? Where are the fitting rooms? Does this come in other colors? I'm just looking, thanks. I'll take this one. When you want to complain but don't want them to spit in your food, today we're practicing polite complaints. Repeat after me. Excuse me, I think there's been a mistake. This isn't quite what I expected. Would it be possible to fix this? I'd really appreciate your help with this. Phone orders expose your English more than anything. Today, we're practicing ordering food by phone. Repeat after me. Hi, I'd like to place an order for delivery. Could I get a large pepperoni pizza? No onions, please. How long will it take? Great, thank you. Most English learners sound robotic when ordering coffee. Here's how to sound natural. Today we're practicing ordering at a cafe. Repeat after me. Hi, could I get a latte, please? For here, thanks. Actually, can I make that oat milk? Could I also have a croissant? That's everything, thank you. A simple question shouldn't take you 3 attempts. Today, we're practicing asking for Wi-Fi. Repeat after me. Excuse me, what's the Wi-Fi password? Could you write it down for me? Is it case sensitive? It's not connecting. Am I doing something wrong? Got it. Thanks so much. People walk away because they can't understand your question. Today we're practicing asking for directions. Repeat after me. Excuse me, is there a pharmacy nearby? How do I get to the train station from here? Is it far? Can I walk? Left at the traffic lights, then straight? Thanks so much for your help. Save these before your next flight. Today we're practicing English at the airport. Where's the check-in counter for British Airways? Can I get a window seat, please? Is my flight on time? Which gate should I go to? Do I need to take my laptop out? You'll need these when Google Maps fails you. Today we're practicing asking for directions. Repeat after me. Excuse me, is there a pharmacy nearby? How far is it from here? Do I turn left or right at the corner? Can I walk there or should I take a taxi? Thanks so much for your help. Your friends notice when you can't handle a simple bill split. Today we're practicing splitting the bill. Repeat after me. Could we get separate checks, please? Can we split this evenly? I'll pay for mine separately. Do you accept card for half of it? Thanks. Keep the change.